What's going on, guys? We're going to review the NQ futures. We're going to go over a couple of trades that the guys in the room took this morning from the daily live webinar. Again, if you guys are interested in joining Evolution Traders lifetime gold members, I have one spot left, guys. The room is filling up, and I really feel that this group of guys here can really do some serious damage. So, you know, I don't want to over flood it with people. So again, if you've been on the fence about this, this is probably your last time to kind of take advantage. But again, in the live stream, I was letting everyone know, you know, I wanted to kind of avoid the short positions right off of the bell, right? And I wanted to kind of look for bulls to catch support and then run us through some of the previous day's highs. We were able to catch Tesla long. We were able to catch somebody caught Nvidia. We were able to catch the Qs. And then we came back to the short positions. I caught Amazon short to the downside, and a lot of people caught the NQ short on the second wave. Now, the reason why I wanted to negate the first move is because the active short position started in the pre-market at 5:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We already had missed this move again at the market open. Market open was going to open up here, right? So we open up here. We kind of marked out those days lows, 15,586 as the lows. If we did lose that at any point in time, we're going to jump that short at a later point in time, which a lot of the guys did. Congratulations. We have one guy in the room absolutely killing it on his funded account. The PA accounts for Apex took almost over $2,000, you know, trading long and short, guys. So again, you don't have to, you know, trade in one direction. You can trade both sides of this market. That's what it means to be a trader. We're just looking to get in and make some money. So what we were looking at was, being that we were trading below this 20 SMA, as soon as we were to get over the 20 SMA, there was a little bit of a position here, you know, over the 622. You can use that 1 bar stop, or you can use any close below the 20, guys. So you have two areas to kind of get out. If you want to keep it tighter to the vest, use a close under the 20 SMA. If you want to give it a little bit of room, use a 1 bar stop system. This was your long position, and we had intentions of taking profits where, guys? Many of you guys who have been watching this video should already know where we plan on taking profits. We plan on taking profits into the next level of supply. That next level of supply was going to be the 200 SMA. So if we look at getting in over the 620s, we would be looking to take profits into the 640s, which is about a 20-point move. So again, what I've been telling everyone, if we can set a hard take profit at 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 handles on the NQ, your success rate is going to jump through the roof. You're going to be over 65% success rate on these type of setups. Again, if you need help kind of looking and identifying these setups in real time, and maybe you have questions, join the Evolution Traders Lifetime, and you guys can get access to that live stream so you guys can see, or at least get access to the community where you can talk to other people about it. Again, we had a trader who jumped in here also on this breakthrough of this high wick and of these pre-market highs here, going back to 5:40 in the morning. So this candle here, this break through the 200, he took it for 10 points and then got out of it, right? Very smart, very smart move there. Again, most traders would get long here and they would just be holding and be a sitting duck and then end up getting trapped out. So again, you know, that's what we teach. We want to teach to be realistic, right? We're not trying to make tens of thousands of dollars per trade. We're trying to take $100 here, $200 there, $500 here, stack those winning days. Now, when we really started to get rejected here at this 200, we started to lose the 20 SMA. This was a setup here that most people took below that 613 level. Our area that we wanted to take profits was at the day's lows. So if this was the day's lows that held once, this is our pivot level here. This is the reason why we're getting into the trade. This is our entry candle. We want to take profits into the low of day and kind of wrap that up. If you wanted to hold a runner, sure, you made a lot more money. But again, you know, I'm teaching to catch this move here, right? That's the move I'm teaching to catch. I'm teaching to catch this move here, right? I want to capture these short runs. This higher success rate, there's a higher chance that you're going to be profitable over a series of 20, 40, you know, 80 trades. Again, there was a little bit of a position, right? There was a little bit of a position through the loss of the low of day, which we had traders take that as well. So again, if you kind of look at this setup here through the low of day, once we close below the low of day here, all bets are on. So as soon as we confirm, you could have taken this down for 10 points here, or you could have sat in this trade, right? Sat in this trade, does not even retrace 50% of the bar, does not ever recapture the 20 SMA, does not ever take out a 1 bar stop, and continues to run. Again, if you guys can't stomach these, like when you get in and you can't stomach this, you're oversized. I don't care. You're oversized. Like, there should be no trader on the face of the planet that has so much size on where they can't even stomach this move, this little back test move. You have to be able to stomach this. You have to be able to sit in that. You have to be able to sit in until it closes over here. You have to be able to sit in until it closes over here, right? So if you're oversized and you play micros, right, that's all I'm going to tell you. Again, sit in this move. Here's your confirmation. You could have took the quick scalp there for 10 points. You could have sat in this move and continued to catch the next leg down. You could have sat in this up move here and caught the next leg down. Again, that's what we're teaching here. We're teaching to catch this first move. We're teaching to sit and hold a runner, use break even as a stop. So even if you got broken out here, you still took money on that runner. 3 setups today, all 3 of them profitable. Many guys who traded the NQ futures today were very, very profitable in the room. Congratulations to you guys. You guys, I feel like in the room are learning very, very quickly. And it's really good to see, because a lot of times people have so many issues with confidence, so many issues with execution, so many issues with trusting the charts. And when you realize that we don't know anything, right, after we get into the trade, when you realize that the trade, more than likely could lose, and you realize that all you can do is trust technical analysis and your risk management and set a stop loss, you're going to be just fine. And you're going to be able to take these trades day in and day out. You're going to make money. Again, if you guys want to take me up on that last lifetime spot, I've got one left. evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. You can also check my community post. The direct link is there, and I'll see all of you guys on the inside.